Uncle Pop in the 808 with an umbrella over my face. Hi. Anyway, what I'm doing is the reason I got an umbrella is I live in a rainforest. And, I've been watching the weather over there on the mainland 107 degrees. Well, I just want to share some of this rain with you. Oh, great. Now I'm getting wet. Never mind. Probably can't even see it. Well, anyway, you guys stay cool. As far as messages go, because, I am trying to be that message motivational guy. And I saw one today I could share probably. I have a past, but I don't live there no more. Huh? Think about that one. I love the rain. Hey, that looks like a golf cart on my shoulders. How can I do that better? Oh, yeah. There. Hey, I've got a golf cart on my shoulders. Ah, you guys, have fun. If you get a place to run on the hose or something, do it. Um, you know what I'm doing? It's a 420 kind of a Tuesday. Loa. World peace. God bless every one of you. I was Shaka, but I've got an umbrella. So, with all that being said, enjoy the rain, folks.